Hi guys, it's your girl Lavimito. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. If you're new on this channel, guys, kindly consider subscribing. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. So guys, I want us to spend a day in my life today doing like a deep cleaning, more of a general cleaning. And please don't mind my voice. I just woke up and I'm sure in the next few minutes I'll be okay. I'm getting psyched up for the day. I hope you love this vlog and you let me know what you think. Yeah, let's get to it, guys. So this is how my wardrobe looks like at the moment. Very messy because nimekuwa nikitoka and saa zingine kutoa nguo and stuff haraka. So this is what we're going to be doing today, making everything well organized and in order. Oh, look at how my bed looks like, guys. Okay, nitaimaliza kupanga hizi manguo. Jeez. So this is the final look after arranging. As you can see, normally I prefer like arranging them in like an order to make work easier for me. So for instance, here are my official pants, jumpsuit and also, and then over here I have my two maxi dresses. Everything long is sorted here. Over here I have my official tops, my two-piece and some truck. Yeah, so as we go down, guys, over here I have my sleeping wear and some gym stuff and everything, my two bags. Then as we go down I have my jeans, some those two small two tops, two crop tops, zile ndogo ndogo ziko hapo kando. And then when you come down I have my two t-shirts. Hapa kando ni kama tu track, more tracks, nguo light za kutoka ziko hapo. And then on my side, guys, as you can see, niko na zile ma water ni cover ups. Nini zinaitwanga aje? Hizo nguo refu ziko hapo kando, as you can see. Mtu ndefu, sijui kama mnaziona vizuri. Ziko hapo kando. Then down here, guys, are my two beddings. Niko na my towels, my two bed sheets. Can you see them well? So, hii ni towel ya wageni, bed sheets, towels, more beddings. Hadi chini ni beddings. Then kando ni hizo cases and everything. So yeah, it looks nice, organized. And then huku mwisho, guys, ni meka to trench huku the farthest end. Sijui kama mtaona vizuri, kuna hiyo sekta ya huko mwisho, kuna hizo matakataka zingine zenye hazivalikangi sana. So I love this, unakaa vizuri, well organized. Kuna hiyo space ya huko mwisho iko na vitu vingi. Kuna zile mavitu zenye hazitumikani, ma suitcases, manini, kuna sekta ya viatu huko mwisho. So yeah, this is the part that I mostly use for my clothes. Hope you can see how well organized it looks right now. I love it. I'm loving it. So tanipea kazi rahisi sana. So thank you. So guys, this is how the bed looks like as per now. nataka nitoe zile pillowcases zote, all those like hadi the pillows. I want to wash even the pillows, nitoe all these, tuweke safi, right? So yeah, let's get to it. Hii duvet nataka nioshe, all the beddings including the pillows plus the cases. Yeah. Nimekuwa drained. Oh shit. Let's take a moment to appreciate this beauty. Anyway. Hii ndio stock ya kufua. So we're going to get started with the washing, guys. As you can see, I want to start with the duvet and then we'll move from there. I forgot to tell you guys, I bought this cover for my machine to prevent it from vumbi and what. So okay, this is how it looks like. You can see it has this ka opening. Yeah, supposed to close it like that. So when you want to use it, you just open it from the bottom. Yeah, so it helps keeps our machine clean and prevent it from dust and water. So yeah, that's how. So let's put in the duvet and get started, guys. cotton stand. So after they've been wet, guys, I'll be putting in the pillows. We go in with the pillows, then the bed sheets, the bed cover. So yes, stay tuned. As a white person, guys, I'm loving this. Work has been made so much easier for now. I really don't have to do much. Just put in and proceed with other things Finally, guys, after a century later, the dishes are done, like done. The sink is well cleaned and neat. So far, we're doing our best. Hey. At this point, I was hungry, guys. I needed to fill up, gain more energy, Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of this vlog. I just woke up, and guys, yesterday I wasn't able to finish up the vlog because the washing per section of the washing was going for about 2 to 3 hours, so I had to wait, and I had so much to wash. So today we're gonna be proceeding from where we left. Our pillows are drying up well, and also we will proceed with the spreading, ironing of the sheets and everything. So let's see how the day goes for today, guys. I know my voice, right? Don't mind that. In the next few hours I'll be fine. Okay, thank you for watching till this far, guys. Love you.